Here's another example from the book, How to Build and Frame Stairs. This is going to be primarily focusing on straight stairs. If you are trying to build a stairway with a landing or a stairway with a different type of design, make sure that you check out the rest of our books on stair building. I'm going to try and provide you with specific information for different types of stairs. I hate to mix everything up into one book and make it difficult, or at least it seems to make it difficult. This particular example shows a stringer or 4 stringers connecting to a beam. Now, there's something I'd like to point out, and I point this out in the book, is that the distance for the stair tread width, the run of the stair tread, would be the distance from the back of the stringer here to the front of the stringer, representing the stair tread width. This would also be the front of the riser to the front of the riser. This is where this usually becomes a problem for most stair builders. Even people who have been building stairs for quite some time usually have a problem with this. And that would be that the distance here, from here to here, needs to be the same up here from here to the back of here. So, for example, let's say we have an 11-inch tread width. That would be the measurement from here to here. And of course, it would be from front of the riser to the front of the riser above. Needs to be the same. If we have a 11-inch wide tread run or width here, then this is going to need to be 11 inches. In order to do that, we're going to need to subtract the width of the beam. If we have a 4-inch beam, then we're going to have 7 inches at the top of the stringers. 7 plus 4 will give us our 11 inches, and then that would give us the 11 inches for the front of the riser to the front of the riser also. That measurement is critical. Make sure that you take your time when you're designing, laying out the stair stringers, and then of course building the stairway. This is where it helps to double check all of these measurements. When you're building the stairs, measure everything you possibly can that you might question. That way, while you're building the stairs, you might catch a mistake and of course figure out a way to fix it as easily as possible, hopefully.